Is an cluiche ag dridjum leo. Tá cuarta caoineadh le tuairt ag Claire.
Hey Tom. Michelle. Hi, how are you, Michelle? I'm Claire. How's it going? Hello, little man. Well, I come ag talk to the Josh Gael. And I do have to talk to Michelle to say that in typical fashion, GAA fashion, to a camogie player, Tom Stafford, the boys think so much of you. Tá si de có lán de grádit agus gur fáin mór go méid tú timpeall, go bhfuil whip around déanta agus go bhfuil big tú linn, tá tú tactú alla done Underdogs, done Claire Underdogs.
Ah, stop, lads.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. Oh, that's incredible. Ach, we are.
Brilliant.
Ah, that's unbelievable. Absolutely incredible. Ah,
I didn't come just to tell you that news. I also came to tell Tom that because he has been so integral in our team, I'm emotional myself, that we'd really like you to be part of our starting 15 if you'd be happy to do that.
Oh Jesus, that's you caught me off guard right now. Yes, 100%. That was my dream all along. With the standard lads that were there, the fact that I'm in the starting 15 is huge for me. Like,
yeah.
It's huge, and now it's just up to me now to kind of grab the bull by the horns.
Don't get injured.
Don't get injured.
Don't hurt with anyone else.
Yeah.
Mind yourself, and go guard caoineadh. Go guard caoineadh.
Thank you so much.
Fantastic. Couldn't have a better outcome.
Yeah.
Go guard caoineadh.
Jeez, I'm buzzing.
Underdogs, iborts le Greenfields Digital Sports Technology, creators of the Smart Schlitter.